Congratulations on receiving your Pavlok device. Let's walk you through how to properly set it up. Included with your device is a USB-C cable. Connect it to the Pavlok and plug the other end either into your computer or a charger. If done correctly, you'll see a single yellow LED light up, indicating that your Pavlok is now charging. Once Pavlok is fully charged, the green LED will light up. You can quickly check the battery level at all times by double-tapping the face of the device with the palm of your hand. After you're done with charging, put the device on. The logo should be at the top of the device. It's only set to vibrate by default. Don't fancy silicone or metal? Or maybe you'd like a different color? You can order additional wristbands on Pavlok.com. We recommend you download the Pavlok 3 app on your phone or tablet first. Search for Pavlok 3 in the iOS App Store or Android Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create your account. Make sure to grant permissions to allow Pavlok to connect seamlessly with your phone. You will also be prompted to pair your Pavlok with your smart device as part of the setup process. Follow the instructions carefully. If for some reason pairing is unsuccessful, you can pair from inside the app as well. Tap the Pavlok icon in the upper right corner and follow the instructions. If you see a notification asking you to pair and connect or share system notifications, tap Yes. Pavlok will vibrate once paired. If you are still having trouble, drop us a line via the in-app chat or by emailing support@pavlok.com and our agents will get back to you. At Pavlok, we take security and privacy very seriously. You maintain ownership and control over your data, and you choose what you share with Pavlok. Your Pavlok is now set up and ready for use. Select the app designed to help with what you're trying to achieve and start your journey. We hope you enjoy using your Pavlok. Leave us a review if you like it, or let us know how we can help you in case you are having any issues.